My reason for taking the Tri-Rail is to cut my commute time. Traffic is truly unpredictable driving into Miami-Dade County and South Florida as a whole, and also to be productive during my commute. If the Tri-Rail ended today, it would be an extreme inconvenience to local riders, be a huge disadvantage to the working class. People depend on the Tri-Rail. There's so many different walks of life. You have people in their suits and their scrubs, people going to the airport with their luggage. It shows that people are using this form of public transportation, whether it's to save dollars or it's because they believe it's a more convenient way to get to where they need to get to. Tri-Rail is convenient for me and my family, allows me to be productive as I'm trying to get to point A and point B.